Just one click and you can change the lives of so many people. With Xylem's Waterdrop program, you can solve water directly where help is needed. How does it work? All you have to do is download the Waterdrop app and you're ready to go. You will collect water drops by scanning QR codes. These drops will then be credited to your account. Water drops are rewarded for a wide range of activities related to Xylem and solving water. For example, you can collect them by visiting a trade show, a training course, a web or social media site, or by finding drops at our Xylem locations, to name just a few. Just keep your eyes open. Every drop represents 10 liters of clean water. We at Xylem make sure that communities in need receive clean and fresh water. To do so, we're involved in a variety of activities, such as building water towers that filter water. And the best part, if you turn out to be one of the top water drop collectors at the end of the year, we will collect you, so that together we can change the lives of local people for years to come. We are absolutely certain you will not forget this experience for the rest of your life. With your help, Solving Water will get the needed support and attention. Now you know how you can contribute with Waterdrops. Let's solve water.